Here's a little birdie in our garage. He's having trouble flying, so I gave him a Ritz cracker. I'm hoping it gives him enough nourishment to maybe fly. It's okay, baby. It's all right there for you. Maybe that'll help you. He looks awful chubby, though. Somehow he's hurt. It's okay. Let me move this stuff out of your way. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. There you go. Move this out of your way. There's the cracker right there in front of you. There you go. Oh, yummy. There you go. You're looking better already. After you're done eating, you can fly away, alright? I should send this to Ritz.
What, Mom?
Our garage cleaning company.
Huh?
Shh. There you go. Good job. I won't let that big dog out. Aww. There you go. Jack, careful.